Hey guys, I'm Rod from Rotolight, and I'm really excited to announce a brand new partnership with Creativity Hub. Creativity Hub is the UK's premier immersive photographic events company, offering a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to build amazing portfolios, come and shoot with incredible models, and of course, learn about the latest in lighting technology using the Rotolight AEOS 2, Neo 3 and Titans.
The Creativity Hub event was fantastic. I had a really good time. It was great having 6 models all dressed in period costume in the whole 1920s set up, each one in a different room with different lighting setups. It was a great opportunity to get a whole day's worth of pictures, to build up a portfolio and play with the lights and really experiment.
My favourite part of the day has genuinely just been like the creative atmosphere and talking to other users of these products. Everybody's been really great in sharing their ideas and knowledge.
So often photographers work on their own. It's always good working with other photographers. You see what they do and seeing what they've shot. Think, oh, crikey, I wish I'd done it that way. But it improves your photography double quick time.
The opportunities to be able to get so many different types of shots with the AEOS and the Neo 3 was absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love their sheer power output and the lots of different colours and gels. The fact that I can have consistency across all my RGB boards, it's just absolutely fantastic. Really love these lights.
I've got lots of gels at home and they stay in their tube because it's just too much effort. But when you want to do a small change or just add a little bit of warmth, these just make it very easy. You just dial it in, which actually encouraged me to use lots of colours in the shots that I wouldn't have done otherwise.
I definitely would recommend Creativity Hub for photographers out there. It's a really great chance to get some great shots on your portfolio.
In one day, there's more opportunities than I think I've seen in any other event like this.
So head over now to creativityhub.com and at Creativity Hub Events to join the next event.